doing that. You go.
You go? Alright.
What's your name?
So today we're gonna go...
Wait, hello, what's your name?
Oh, my name's Chris. Oh gosh, this is dumb. Turn it off. This is ridiculous. When you get in front of a camera, it's all different. Just turn it off. Oh my goodness, I can't do this.
I don't need to turn it off, I'll just flip this out.
Oh.
I'm gonna be looking like I'm crying. I know. Well, everyone says we have to have our face on there.
Well, I know, but I don't even know how to. Well, you started. You seem to be the, the center. Get up in front.
Okay. We'll give it a second because I'm looking like I'm crying right now. All right. Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Chris.
You said you started.
No, I don't know. I mean, I don't
okay.
know who's... Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, I knew this was going to happen because we don't have, like, a general, like, what do we do?
Plan.
You know?
All right, fine. Ready?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Chris.
And if you remember that video we did just the other day where we were taking down a 1930s barn that had shiplap and oak flooring and all that kind of stuff, well, we're going to repurpose some of that today with a coffee table redo.
Yeah, and we're going to go out to some thrift stores and see if we can find some furniture that looks, I don't know, undesirable, that most people would think they would just throw away. And we're going to bring it in here and we're going to reface it with some barn wood and make it look like one of those $1,100, $1,400 pieces of furniture that you see on the internet.
So stay tuned and we'll take you on the journey of something that looks like trash to something that you would pass down to your kids.
All right, thank you.
We're back. We found a great little coffee table that we are going to redo and repurpose. It was only $10. Has some dings and scratches and all that good stuff on it, but for our purpose and our craft project, this will be a perfect little adventure. So let's see what we found. There we go. Not at all a style that we would have necessarily chosen, but it's all working. The drawers
work nice.
Yep. Oh yeah, a little bit of good fun.
Mouse.
Yeah. Sometimes what you'll find when you buy from a thrift store.
This thing is, it was $10.
$10. So we'll get to work.